Welcome to our video on the best home investments for long-term wealth. In today's episode, we'll explore various strategies and insights that can help you build financial stability and wealth through your home. From the timeless appeal of real estate to smart home technology and the importance of location, we'll cover essential upgrades, tax benefits, and more. Join us as we uncover how to make informed investments that not only protect your property but also maximize your returns for years to come. 1. Investing in real estate. A timeless choice. The real estate market has always been a solid investment option for those looking to build long-term wealth. Owning property is akin to having a physical asset that generally appreciates over time. Unlike stocks, which can be volatile, real estate provides a tangible piece of investment that you can see and touch. There are various types of properties to consider, from single-family homes to commercial spaces. Each has its own set of benefits, but residential properties often offer more stability. According to recent data, the average annual appreciation rate for real estate is approximately 3% to 5%. This might not seem like much initially, but compounded over years, it can lead to significant gains. Additionally, real estate can generate rental income, providing a steady cash flow while your investment grows. 2. Renovations that add value. Renovating your home is another smart investment that can pay off in the long run. Not all renovations are created equal, and some may offer more return on investment than others. For instance, kitchen and bathroom updates are known to significantly increase a home's resale value. According to a 2023 study, kitchen remodels can recoup up to 80% of their cost upon resale. Beyond aesthetics, energy-efficient upgrades like solar panels or new windows can also enhance property value and reduce utility bills. It's essential to strike a balance between improving your home's functionality and ensuring that the changes align with neighborhood standards. Over-investing in luxury upgrades in a modest neighborhood might not yield the desired returns. 3. Smart home technology. The future is now. Incorporating smart home technology is becoming increasingly popular among homeowners looking to boost their property's value. From smart thermostats to security systems, these technologies offer convenience and improved functionality, which are attractive to potential buyers. The global smart home market is projected to grow exponentially, reaching around $53 billion by 2023. This trend is driven by the increasing demand for energy efficiency and security. Installing smart devices can also offer short-term benefits such as reduced energy bills and enhanced security. As technology continues to evolve, staying updated with the latest advancements can position your home as modern and desirable. 4. Location. Location. The importance of location in real estate investment cannot be overstated. A prime location can significantly impact a property's value and its potential for appreciation. Areas with good schools, low crime rates, and proximity to amenities such as parks and shopping centers are particularly attractive. Urban areas with access to public transportation often see higher appreciation rates due to convenience. According to a recent report, homes in top school districts can command up to 49% more than the national median home price. It's crucial to research and identify emerging neighborhoods poised for growth, as these areas can offer more affordable entry points with promising long-term returns. 5. Rental properties. A steady income stream. Investing in rental properties is another effective strategy for building wealth over time. Owning rental properties provides a consistent income stream while the property's value appreciates. The demand for rental properties is on the rise, driven by factors such as urbanization and the increasing unaffordability of homeownership for many. According to the National Multifamily Housing Council, about 37% of Americans rent their homes, highlighting the potential market for rental properties. Effective property management is key to maximizing returns, ensuring that properties are well maintained and tenants are satisfied. Additionally, rental income can offset mortgage payments, making it easier to hold onto properties long term. 6. Home equity. Unlocking financial potential. Home equity is another avenue through which homeowners can build wealth. As you pay down your mortgage and your home's value increases, you build equity, which can be leveraged for various financial needs. Home equity loans or lines of credit allow you to access this equity for renovations, debt consolidation, or other investments. According to 2023 statistics, the average homeowner holds about $200,000 in home equity. While tapping into home equity can provide financial flexibility, it's crucial to use these funds wisely and ensure that any borrowing aligns with long-term financial goals. Mismanagement of home equity can lead to financial strain, so it's essential to proceed with caution. 7. Tax benefits. Maximize your returns. Homeownership comes with various tax advantages that can enhance your long-term wealth-building strategy. Mortgage interest deductions and property tax deductions can significantly reduce your taxable income, offering substantial savings. For instance, the mortgage interest deduction allows homeowners to deduct interest paid on loans up to $750,000. Additionally, when selling a primary residence, homeowners can exclude up to $250,000, $500,000 for married couples, of the gain from taxable income, provided certain conditions are met. These tax benefits can improve cash flow and make homeownership more affordable, contributing to overall financial well-being. 8. Maintenance. Protecting your investment. Regular maintenance is a crucial aspect of preserving and enhancing your home's value. Skipping routine upkeep can lead to costly repairs down the line, diminishing the property's resale value. Essential maintenance tasks include inspecting the roof, servicing HVAC systems, and addressing plumbing issues promptly. According to home improvement experts, homeowners should budget approximately 1% to 4% of their home's value annually for maintenance. Taking preventive measures can prolong the life of home systems and structures, ensuring that your investment remains sound. A well-maintained home is more appealing to potential buyers and can command a higher market price. 9. Landscaping and curb appeal. The first impression in the exterior of your home is the first thing people see, making landscaping and curb appeal vital components of property value. Well-maintained lawns, gardens, and entryways create a positive first impression and can significantly enhance a home's aesthetic. Simple improvements like planting trees, adding flowers, or painting the front door can add charm and increase perceived value. According to a recent survey, good landscaping can add up to 10% to a home's value. Beyond monetary benefits, a beautiful outdoor space can improve quality of life, offering a place for relaxation and recreation. 10. Energy efficiency. The green investment. Energy efficiency is not only environmentally responsible but also a smart financial move. Implementing energy-efficient upgrades can reduce utility bills and increase a home's marketability. Solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, and improved insulation are popular choices that offer both immediate and long-term savings. In 2023, the U.S. government introduced additional incentives for homeowners investing in green technologies, further enhancing the financial appeal of these upgrades. With energy costs on the rise, energy-efficient homes are increasingly attractive to buyers looking for sustainable living options. Additionally, these upgrades contribute to a sustainable future, aligning with the growing trend towards eco-friendly living.